Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to generate AI images for your characters in Talkie. So let's get started with the video. First, open the application. Here you will see plus icon to initiate the character creation. In the between, click on this plus icon and post that. Here you will see an option of create image. You need to click on this create image over here. Once you click on that, it will prompt you to this page. Here either you can add a reference image of for how you want it from your phone, or the second thing you can do is you can write the image prompt, the description about the image. You can use a AI writer as well, or you can choose the art style. You can click on this more. Here you will get all the art style which is available. Here you can see in different, you can apply the filters and see the different images over here. You can choose any one of the image and post that. You need to click on confirm, and here you will get an option of create image. You need to click on that. It will start generating. It will take almost 100%, a few seconds to get generated. Kindly wait till the time. Post that, you can click on done. So once you have done that, here you can see that this has been saved to library. So this is how you can generate the AI images for your characters in Talkie. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.